The worker rides on an excavator to build up the cement evenly so that his feet don't damage the cement again. Superb timing and teamwork enable these workers to lay a brick road at a rapid pace. See this compact track loader with a large tray fill and tie closed at 20 sandbags in seconds. A thick line of plaster is applied and a double-handed trowel is used to evenly coat a wall. Tape lines are carefully pulled from a fresh paint to expose a fake brick wall. An exact amount of brick mortar is applied with a piece of wood and pro level experience. A straighted hand tool is dragged over wet plaster to create a RTX pattern design. Excess drywall mud is skillfully removed from a wall to reveal a smooth finish. Precise measuring and a steady shovel team up to create compass-like chalk circle. A water line is let in at the perfect angle, causing a chain reaction installation. See this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. A rough coat of pool plaster is sprayed and then smoothly troweled by an expert team.